Have you ever needed help from someone but didn't know how to ask? Or maybe you've asked for help before but were met with rejection or indifference. Getting help from others can be a challenging task, especially if you don't know how to approach them or ask for what you need. But what if you could make someone want to help you? What if you could inspire them to take action and support you in achieving your goals? In this video, we'll explore the secrets to making someone want to help you. From building rapport and trust to communicating effectively and showing appreciation, we'll dive into the strategies that will make people want to help you. Tip 1. Build rapport and trust. The first step to making someone want to help you is to build rapport and trust. Take the time to get to know them, their interests and their values. Find common ground and shared experiences that can help you connect with them on a deeper level. Tip 2. Communicate effectively. Effective communication is key to making someone want to help you. Be clear and concise about what you need and explain how their help will make a difference. Avoid being vague or ambiguous, and make sure to listen actively to their concerns and questions. Tip 3. Show appreciation and gratitude. Showing appreciation and gratitude is essential to making someone want to help you. Express your thanks and recognition for their support, and acknowledge the impact their help has had on your life. This will create a positive feedback loop, encouraging them to continue helping you in the future. Tip 4. Be respectful and considerate. Being respectful and considerate is crucial to making someone want to help you. Be mindful of their time, energy, and resources, and avoid making demands or assumptions. Show that you value and respect their contributions, and be willing to return the favor when possible. Tip 5. Offer value and reciprocity. Offering value and reciprocity is a powerful way to make someone want to help you. Share your skills, expertise, and resources with others, and look for opportunities to collaborate and support each other. This will create a sense of mutual benefit and shared purpose, encouraging others to help you in return. Tip 6. Be clear about what you need. Being clear about what you need is essential to making someone want to help you. Avoid being vague or ambiguous, and make sure to specify exactly what you're asking for. This will help the other person understand what you need and how they can help. Tip 7. Follow up and follow through. Following up and following through is crucial to making someone want to help you. Check in with them regularly to show your appreciation and gratitude, and make sure to follow through on any commitments or promises you've made. This will create a sense of trust and reliability, encouraging others to help you in the future. By incorporating these 7 tips into your daily life, you'll be well on your way to making someone want to help you. Remember to stay respectful, considerate, and grateful, and always be willing to return the favor when possible. Follow us for more psychological helpful tips